Hi guys, I managed to capture a live trade here, one that I shorted just a few moments ago, well, several minutes ago, around 20 to 1 this morning. Now I had a Pro Trading System sell signal here, a red, and I shorted it where it says to short it, which is at 183.31 zone. So first entry to short, then I added some more shorts in that direction, which was nice. And this 183.78, which these are the Pro Trading System targets that are generated automatically for you. So you don't need to think about where to get out of the trade. It will work out your 3 to 1, 4 to 1 risk reward ratio automatically for you. It's making now this trade, we're up 500, about £600 on this trade. So the 133.50 is where I want to sort of get out of this trade. Now, one of the things where new traders struggle is when they get into a trade, how do they manage that position? Some people let it go back and stop them out when they're about 100 points in profit. So the Pro Trading System feature here, if I go inside here, click on here, it's got something that's really cool. It's called a trailing stop. And if I unclick it, it disappears. If I click the trailing stop here, it automatically gives me a trailing stop based on the algorithm. So 183.80 is my trailing stop. Now, I'm going to either use 183.50 or I'll get stopped out at the 183.80. Now what's so cool about the trailing stop is you can see here it will only move the trailing stop. It's doing what it says, it's trailing your stop. It will only do that if the price moves away. You can see here we've got a double trail stop here, dots. The price didn't move for a few moments, but now as it starts to move down in the short side, by the way I'm short this market, the trading stop will start to come on down as well. As soon as this closes here, and what I can do, I can put in fact I want to just put that right there to bank some profits at this area. I'm just in front of that profit target, and you can see it's starting to move. As this gets to a close, then the trading stop feature will automatically, you don't have to do anything, it will automatically tell you where to trail that stop. If the price goes sideways here, the trading stop will go sideways as well. Now you know what I'm like, I love to trade 5-minute charts but use a bigger time frame for that direction. So if you take a little look at the 4-hour time frame here, this is it here. This is the 4-hour red PTS. So we had a red signal to short many bars ago, and so I'm looking now for what I call red on red. Red on the 4 hours, red on the 5-minute. You can't get simpler than that. Okay, so you can see we shorted on the red when the news come out, and then it dropped nicely. Now you can see here we're starting to get some bottoming tails. There's a hammer forming, which means a reversal is likely to come at any time. So I can wait for that trading stop to be hit, which is fine. You can see the trading stop is going sideways because the price is going sideways. If it starts to drop, the trading stop will lock in more profits for you. All right, so it's a really cool feature using red on red. The algorithm, the system is telling you on the 4-hour chart it's bearish. Now, on the 5-minute time frame, we want to wait for that signal, and of course we don't want to trade through the doldrums. We get that signal when the news comes out, we're already short, and away we go. All right, so that's how we use the system, and that's how you can use it really easily. It's a simple system but very powerful indeed. It's got many features. We haven't even spoken about the white candles yet, but it really is something that I use on everything, every chart, every market, and it works tremendously well, guys. Hope it helps. Another nice day trade. If you want to dive onto my day trading program, there are only 6 places. Basically, we're going to be doing live trading in my trading room. You'll be looking over my shoulder, watching me trade live. Come and join me and trade with me if you want to. And you'll get all the system, you'll get all the software screeners that we got here at Trading College. You get 2 days live with me every single month for 12 months. It is an exclusive day trading mentorship just for day traders really that want to trade live. We start at 7:30 in the morning, we finish at 5. There's plenty of education along the way as well, and I'll be guiding you, mentoring you for those 2 days every single month to become a successful day trader. All right, using our tools, processes and systems. Make sure you click on the link below and get a call back and discuss the actual requirements and the investment further. Hope it helps, guys. I'll speak to you soon. I'll just wait for this to get hit down here. It's either going to get hit or I'm going to get taken out on the trailing stop. But a nice profit indeed. Hope it helps. Take care.